Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we are going to be talking about the Teazers Warming Vibrator. So let's get started. So this is the warming vibrator itself. As you can see, it's a very elegant looking plug. So this is an anal plug, which is a warming vibrator with constant heating function. It's made of a soft silicone, so it's very soft and smooth and very comfortable during use, and is also slightly flexible, so it's very comfortable to wear. It's also very simple and easy to use, and it comes equipped with 10 vibration modes and is completely waterproof as well. To turn on, press and hold on the bottom button just there and it will give a buzz and the light will come on. Press once more and it's on. To change to the other 10 vibration settings, it's very simple. Simply tap and choose your desired setting. And the vibrator will slowly warm up as well. To turn off, press and hold down and it's now off. It's very simple and easy to recharge using the magnetic USB charging cable provided. Simply attach the two together like so, and it will charge quickly and easily for you. Now, when using the anal warming vibrator, we recommend that you use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. And make sure to clean the toy after every use using a toy cleaner and a dry lint-free cloth for good hygienic use. And that is the Teazers Warming Vibrator. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.